Hello everybody, it is Tuesday, January 21st, 2014, and this is my squirrel Snoopy eating some peanuts in the middle of a major snowstorm here in Somerton, Philadelphia, the city of brotherly love. This is the view of my balcony, and he is very hungry, as you can see. I gave him some peanuts, and he's very smart, he found them. Snow is expected to accumulate at a rate of about 1 inch per hour. Winter snow warning has been issued for the entire Philadelphia region by the National Weather Forecast. It's in effect until tomorrow, with the wind advisory until tomorrow in the noon hours. It's very chilly and it's only going to get worse. So it's better to be indoors unless you are a squirrel and you don't have much of a choice. This is the view. Yes, it's quite beautiful as long as you're indoors. You don't have to endure what this poor little squirrel is enduring as he's searching for more peanuts. While Sam is taking a nice nap here with his friend Tom. That's it for now. Shalom. I'm host Eliwood Starlaf, reporting live from my house.